Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2007 Shelby GT500. Shelby GT500 is based on the 9th generation Mustang and is the most capable production version ever built. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, fog lights, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, child seat anchors, power steering, boost gauge. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.